ProdataKey is excited to introduce a new and more intuitive way to manage devices being controlled by your PDK-IO system. We call it Device Identity. Device Identity allows you to intuitively classify the type of devices being used and provide more functionality from your existing hardware. Thanks to PDK-IO's automatic updates, these new enhancements are available on every system and can be accessed through your browser or on your PDK-IO app. Let's show you this new feature. To identify a device, go to Configuration Settings. Under Devices, you'll notice the old device icon has been retired and replaced with new icons designed to distinguish the type of device being used. Let's look at each type of the device category. Door or gate covers anything used for ingress or egress that is similar to a door or a gate. When selecting door or gate, you now have the option to assign whether a reader is a primary reader or an additional reader. The primary reader contains all of the device functionality that you know today. The additional reader is a new device type that inherits its settings and rules from the primary reader selected at creation, resulting in a simplified installation of a secondary reader. I/O device is used for non-entry devices such as lights, auxiliary devices, and alarms. When assigning an I/O device, your options include generic device or premium device. Generic devices are used for devices that cannot be triggered remotely using PDK-IO, such as piezo devices. Premium devices are used for those devices which can be triggered remotely, such as alarm systems. Elevator devices are available in primary reader, used for the main elevator reader, an additional reader, used for readers on additional floors, and for a floor relay, used to specify floor access points. To add a new device and utilize the new identity feature, select the plus button. Choose a device category. Next, select the device type. In this example, we have a primary reader or an additional reader. Finally, give the device a name. Select your icon, select your connection, and add your port. Afterwards, the new device will be shown in the Devices tab with its corresponding icon. The new icons will also be used to replace the padlock icon in the Touch app and in other areas of PDK-IO, such as the device selection dialog in Access Rules. Existing device icons have now been updated to a legacy icon and still hold all the functionality that you know today. Migrating a legacy device to a new device identity is simple. To begin, click on the legacy device to bring up the edit screen. Next, choose the menu and select Move to another type. Once selected, choose a device category. Select the device type, and then select your device identity icon. This update maximizes the capabilities of your board, allowing multiple items to operate from a single port. Previously, only one device has been able to be associated with a port. Thanks to device identity, multiple devices can now be associated with a single port as long as the same components are not being used. For example, in the past, every reader and additional device, such as a piezo, occupied an entire port. With this update, new capabilities are now possible, such as having an additional reader and piezo device occupying the same port. This update also brings changes to the device settings page. The buttons formerly titled Open and Close have been renamed Activate and Deactivate. The device identity update also affects available settings on your PDK-IO dashboard. By default, the elevator settings will now only be displayed if an elevator device has been chosen. If you have any questions regarding device identity and this new update, please contact ProdataKey and we will be happy to assist you.